In this problem, we're looking for D is equal to B minus C vectors, right? And the way we're going to be able to solve this is by using this equation. B vector, right, will be equal to B component, which is going to be the 5.6 here, right, which is the magnitude, theta of I, plus B magnitude, theta of J. Now, we're also going to use the same equation for C, and we're going to solve this. We're going to plug in the numbers that are on the graph, right? So we're going to plug this 4.8 for the magnitude for C here, right? For I and for J. And the way we're going to be able to solve for the thetas is by adding 180 plus 33, since it's since we got to add it, right? Since we have to add it to this here, right? 33. And this is 180 here at the end. So we have to add that on. And after we plug it in, our B, right, should look something like this before we plug them in. Should look like this. B equals 5.6, right, to 180 plus 33 I. Then it is the plus the J part as well, which is identical to the I part. Now, we do the same for C. And C will be here. C will be 4.8, right? Because this is the length. Then it's theta 180. No, I'm sorry, not 180. I'm sorry. It's 270 plus the 222. And this is for I, and the same thing for J. And after you get the I and J for both C vector and the B vector, you plug it in now to the same equation to find D, which will be B theta B here, C, and then you would subtract the I with the I and the J with the J. And after you get that, your numbers should be something along the lines of here. B, D. You plug it into this equation now. After you get the I's and J, after you subtract them for each other, you should get it should look something along the lines of 4 top plus 2 negative 89 minus 4.3. Right? It should look something along the lines like this with the 2 here. Okay? And there's a 2 over here. And after you simplify it, right? It should be to 6.6. Should be your final answer after you simplify it all the way down. Right? After you get the like terms going, after you multiply the exponents correctly, and then you finally will have like this, which would equal to 6.6, giving you answer C.